Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel once more, and also. I'm here to give you a recap of my week 8 here at web3bridge cohort 8. So this week, we continued front-end interaction from where we stopped last week, week 7. We took it a step further. So this week we were coached, we were prepared on how to produce a production standard code. So we had to move from our regular React to Wagmi and Rocket. We took it a step further to Next. Yeah. So we were introduced to nextJs. We also learned about TypeScript. Basically, this is my first time using TypeScript. So we learned about TypeScript. TypeScript is way like a step ahead of JavaScript. It comes with a whole lot of strictness and all, but it was a nice one. It was a really nice one. It was really helpful. It helped us build the way we think, the way we predict the kind of data, the way we handle our data and all. Because we using TypeScript, you had to typecast, you had to define the particular data type we were expecting. So using that now, it was able to help us prevent errors that would have come up during production. So beforehand, during the course of coding, we were able to notice these errors and correct them using TypeScript. So we also learned to use let's say replacement, a substitute actually. We learned to use a substitute for Rainbow Kit, which is actually connectkit. Then we also learned to use a substitute for WADMI. We use ethersJs directly. So we're able to combine these whole things, dance around with them, interchange them in order to build different contracts and stabilize the way we feel or the way we interact, our confidence using these tools. Then with all this together, this week we were able to build a lottery contract. Yeah. So we built a lottery contract. With that contract, the students here were able to register for the lottery. We deposited amount of token, we minted a token, deposited amount of that token into the lottery pool. Then a winner was picked randomly, and the winner was actually transferred the total amount which we all staked into the lottery pool. So it was actually nice to interact or to build a front end for a smart contract like that was actually kind of complex. So we're able to use all these things, interact with them, combine them properly to get into the proper production code which we got at the end. Then this week come yeah, this week we've come to the end of front end interaction, and our front end interaction came to the end with an assignment, a very tough assignment. In that assignment, we were asked to build an NFT marketplace. Yeah. So we will be minting or deploying an NFT contract. After deploying the NFT contract, we also write and deploy the marketplace contract. I'm currently still on the assignment, but the assignment has really helped a lot so far so good. We are able to use the CID that we're getting from an NFT to query the internet, consume that CID in the form of consume the CID in the form of like an API in order to get the metadata information about the NFT, display the NFT and stuff like that. The assignment is actually a complex one, but it's something that's going to keep all of us on our feet, basically keep us awake for like throughout the whole night and stuff like that. But at the end, it's our own good and we know that and we're happy about the way things are going, happy with the pace which we are going currently so far. And I'm sure in the coming next coming week you'll see more and more progress from me. So stay tuned. I would love to see you next week. Peace out.